Hi, it's Augie Anderson with Property Sales Boulevard, also Space Coast Florida Homes. We are so glad that you arrived at our site because we've got great information for buyers, sellers, owners, and investors. This year we're going to be really focusing on rehabbing foreclosures. There's a great need for assistance on so many levels, from financing them to rehabbing them. They are an intricate process of getting the job done. I've got an amazing team. I'll provide you a link that has a description of their qualifications. I've known these folks for a long time and I trust them. I know they're going to do the job that meets the requirements that are very stringent with lenders. So enjoy our site, enjoy the services that we have. Reach out to us. We're available to assist you, and we look forward to servicing you with all of your real estate needs. It's Augie Anderson. I will be seeing you on the web.